Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this adorable flower ring. It's quick, cute, and perfect as a handmade gift or an accessory for kids and adults alike. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, this is super beginner friendly. So grab your yarn and hook and let's make something sweet together. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment below. Let's get started. First, let's crochet the ring band. Start by making 22 chains. That's 2-2, one chain at a time. This will wrap nicely around a small to medium finger. Now skip the first chain from the hook and crochet 21 single crochet stitches, one into each chain. Take your time, it's important to keep your tension even. Tip: if you're not sure where to insert your hook, look for the V-shaped stitch loops. Great job! Now let's turn this into a ring. Simply sew the two ends together using a yarn needle or your crochet hook. This completes the ring base. Now for the flower. Start with a magic ring. Into this ring, we'll crochet 5 petals. Each petal is made of chain 3, puff stitch with 3 yarn overs, chain 3 and slip stitch into the ring. Repeat that 5 times total to make 5 petals. As you go, the flower will start to take shape. Don't worry if the petals look a bit loose, we'll fix that in the next step. Tip: pull up your loops to the same height for even puff stitches. Once all 5 petals are done, gently pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. There you go. You've got a tiny crochet flower. Let's make the little yellow center. Use yellow yarn and chain 2. Then skip 1 chain and make a puff stitch with 3 yarn overs into the second chain. That's it. Just 1 puff stitch creates a lovely round center. Sew it right into the middle of your flower. Tip: you can use fabric glue instead of sewing if you prefer. Now attach the flower to the top of the ring band. Position it however you like. Slightly tilted looks super cute. And you're done. Isn't it the cutest little ring? This project is perfect for gifts, party favors, or just for fun. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy crochet projects, and share it with your crafty friends. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!